In a bid to foster collaboration among critical stakeholders in the shipbuilding and ship repairs subsector, the Naval Dockyard Limited on Wednesday hosted captains of industry, ship owners, and other service providers within the shipping spectrum to a meet and greet cocktail event at its facility in Lagos. The event served as an avenue for the industry to formally meet Rear Admiral Ibrahim Shehu, the newly appointed Managing Director and Admiral Superintendent of the yard. In his welcome speech, Commodore Akinrishola Obisheson, the General Manager Production for the facility, said the event hoped at strengthening ties between the dockyard and the maritime sector.
The purpose of this meet and greet is for the Admiral Superintendent Naval Dockyard Limited, Rear Admiral Ibrahim Shehu, to get to know our esteemed clients and major stakeholders in the maritime industry. The purpose is also to create an avenue for the yard and our stakeholders in the maritime industry to network, relate, share ideas that will mutually benefit both parties in furtherance of the nation's maritime industry and the blue economy. In contributing to the Nigerian Navy, the yard has maintained several Nigerian Navy ships and also independently built 3 civil defense boats of about 250 tons each. Also, as part of our contribution to the nation's maritime industry, we maintain several merchant vessels, and the largest so far is merchant tanker Black Pearl, which is about 130 meters long and weighing about 7,000 tons.
The newly appointed ASNDL, who spoke with Maritime TV Africa, said his administration will drive the vision of the Chief of Naval Staff while building on the excellent legacy of the immediate past ASNDL.
It's been a great privilege for me to have been appointed here by the Chief of the Naval Staff, who has reposed a high level of confidence in granting me the opportunity to hold this command. In that regard, my intention, my vision for the yard is to pursue the vision of the Chief of the Naval Staff, particularly in contributing the quota of the yard in advancing our local shipbuilding efforts, which is still ongoing. As you must have heard during some of the earlier introductions in the venue, we spoke about 2 vessels that are under construction. I intend to bring those to a logical conclusion. We also have a lot of facilities here that the Naval Headquarters, under the leadership of the Chief of the Naval Staff, have invested some resources to revitalize, specifically the galvanizing workshop and the electroplating workshop. I also intend to get those going as veritable business concerns and adding value to our naval engineering efforts, both for us as the Navy and for the wider maritime sector. The entire purpose of this is not just to introduce myself as having assumed the command here, but also to create a platform for both the dockyard and other stakeholders in the maritime sector to establish formal and informal links that will enable us to collaborate effectively in driving the vision, the overall national vision of creating a wider shipping fleet for the country. And in that regard, we stand committed to collaborate with any maritime organization, institution, or company that will add value to that effort. I intend to build on the excellent legacy of my immediate predecessor, who has set the ball rolling in increasing the high level of our professional output in terms of service delivery. We want to consolidate on that. We also want to maintain a safe and comfortable working environment for all our staff, and we want to ramp up our efficiency in service delivery to increase the turnover of ships coming in and out of the dock, so that we enhance the wider operational capacity of both the naval fleet and the merchant fleet of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Industry operators also expressed faith in the ability of Rear Admiral Ibrahim Shehu to steer forward the activities of the dockyard.
First, let me start by congratulating Admiral Shehu. First, I welcome him to the Naval Dockyard on behalf of the Nigerian Chamber of Shipping, my governing council and members. And just like you said, the connection between the Nigerian Naval Dockyard and the ship owners is actually very, very vital. We have seen so much of relationship where their services is so vital and very cardinal to the survival of the shipping industry. So maintaining this relationship and where we are able to come, bring our ships, dry dock our ships, not only dry dock but use it as also a logistics base to be able to transfer the spares, the requirement, the supplies for our shipping that we need to move from here. And we have seen the Naval Dockyard over years have been able to give us this best of services. Very conducive atmosphere, very friendly officers that are here. Whatever issues you come with, they are there to assist you. We are so excited, and I'm very sure that Admiral Shehu is coming with a vast knowledge of naval architecture. Is here to also complement what they are already doing.
Dockyard, like has been said earlier, I don't want to repeat what has been said before, is a marine hub, and we are looking for more opportunities for Dockyard to grow. She had made inroads to other maritime areas, and we are proud that we associate ourselves as partners with the Dockyard. I want to see Dockyard grow more. I believe that with the new ASND on ground, that more innovation will come up. Other areas that we've not tapped into, we're looking forward to tap into those areas, and I think it will be great.
Maritime TV Africa reports that prior to this appointment, Rear Admiral Ibrahim Shehu held several strategic positions in the Nigerian Navy. He was a project coordinator for NNS Andoni, the first seaworld defense boat built by the Nigerian Navy, and until his appointment as the helmsman at the dockyard, he served as Managing Director CEO of the Naval Building and Constructing Company Limited.